So, is this the world's largest potato? Like, my entire hand is. Nah, this is like a huge potato. For real. Hello, everyone. I'm excited to walk you through how I made these delicious potato wedges. Let's get started. This is like the largest potato I've ever worked with.
Oh,
Seriously, look at it, look at it.
that's a potato? I thought that was
Look at it! So, as you can see, this potato is huge. I don't think I've ever worked with a potato this large in my life, and so it was definitely exciting. So I put my potatoes in the microwave to cook faster when it's baking in the oven. And what I'm doing right now is adding my seasonings. I have a complete seasoning, garlic powder and onion powder, and I'm drizzling some olive oil, putting it in the pan and spreading it out, and adding a bit more olive oil to coat the pan. I pop the potatoes in the oven, let it cook a bit, and flip the potatoes over to cook some more. And then I'm making my sauce, which is mayo, jerk seasoning, a bit of lemon juice, some of my salsa verde, and that's it, mixing it together. So my potatoes are finished, and I'm adding a bit of parsley on top, and it is ready to eat. Simple, delicious. We used the microwave as a shortcut with this huge potato, and it came out amazing. So try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. And as always, thank you for watching Cooking in Opera. See you soon.